What's up, everyone? My name is Victor Aguilera. Most people call me Victor. I'm a chef, former chop champion. I'm an off-road addict. I like spending my free time working on my rig, out on the trail, or cooking anywhere outdoors. I've started this channel because I wanted a place to document the real process, the build, the recipes, the mistakes, the trips, and eventually cooking out in the wild. No BS, just the real projects, real adventures, and some real good food. Let me show you the ride. Right now I drive a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland. I've already done a few upgrades. 35 some black rhinos, Baja lights in the front with a 12,000 rough country winch. Can't remember where the front bumper's from. Some inner fenders and fenders have been changed as well. Some orange decals, half a roof rack. I have a water tank up there that also works as a shower. Have a smart cap on the back. It's a smart cap Defender. Since I work in the city a lot, I have to keep my work safe. And what better way than have no windows or views? This is one of my next few projects. That's a 2.5-inch lift from Evo. Heavy duty as well. And on the next video, I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna see me install a smart cap drawer vent that's gonna go on the left side. A few other projects are coming up are Apex, sway bar, quick disconnects. This is just the rest of things for my lift. Some rear control arms and front and rear track bars, and this is a steering damper also. So all that's gonna go on the Jeep this week. I'm excited to show you the new projects coming up. But yeah, this is my baby. His name is Spike. He got the name Spike from my fallen boy from last year. He passed away, 16-year-old Pomeranian, and now he lives on and rides with me every day. If you're into off-roading, builds, and outdoor cooking, you're in the right place. I'm Victor, and this is just the beginning.